Hi guys, today I will show you how to use git revert command. So currently I am inside my repository and I logging in my local. So right now there is no any other file if I will do ls command. So right now we don't have any file. So what I will do, first I will create uh, three file and after that I will use git revert command. So uh, first I will create file using echo first file, then a.html. So this a.html file has been created, and if I will use cat a.html, you can see this is mentioned here, first file. So first I will add this new file using git add command, then git commit -m first commit. So now I have added in local. So if I will do git log online, now I am checking logs. So you can see here this is pointing to first commit. This is nothing but this a.html. So now I'm clearing this. Again I will create one more file, echo second file, then b.html. So now my file has been created. If I will do cat b.html, you can see content inside b.html is second file. So again I will add git add. I am putting dot because this file is in my same directory. Git commit -m and commit. So if I will see git log, so now my head is pointing to second commit. Again I will create one more file, echo third file, c.html. So now we have a three file. So again I have to add git add git commit -m third commit. So now I'm clearing the console here, and again I will see git log online. So you can see my head is pointing to third commit. So now I am just going to use git revert command. In git revert, and this is my latest commit, like third commit, second commit and first commit. So now I am going to revert this commit. Okay, so I'm using git revert and putting this commit. So what will happen, we'll see. So here is asking that your branch is based on the origin master, but the upstream is gone. So changes to be committed. So this file is going to delete because I am reverting this commit. So I am exiting Control X. So now if I will see my one file will delete. Which file? b.html, because latest file was third commit, and third commit, this is c.html, second one is b.html, the first one is a.html. So we have reverted b.html. So now b.html got deleted. So if I will see ls command, you can see only a.html and c.html is there. But remember one thing. Remember, once you will see the history, like commit history, you can see still we can see this second commit, first commit, third second commit also available, but we have one more new commit. So once we will revert it commit, that time one new commit history will generate. So you can see this. Thanks for watching.